Hello, I'm Alex Spinner. I'm here to show you how to make the world's best paper airplane. Construction paper works best. Cardboard paper does not work at all. Construction paper works best. Do not use lined paper. Okay, first thing you will need to do is you'll need to do that, and then you will need to do this. Then after that, you'll need to do that. You will also need to do this. Gotta go crease, 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 crease. Not slide, grease, crease. Then you'll need to do that. Then you'll need to do that. And that. And that. And that. And if you see there, that seal is laughing. Okay, then what you will need to do is, on me, then you'll need to do this. You'll have to start over because I know all you guys have messed up out there. You guys suck. You'll need to do that, that, make sure you're staying with me, Jared, that, Mamma Mia. Then you will need to unfold. As you see, we have so many foldings. That is a good thing. A good thing. You will need to la, They do that. But that was just a trick. That was just a trick. Then you will need to do that, that, Stay in with the camera. Fight test. Fight test. And now we dance. See? It works perfectly well.